In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in pictures in Canva. If you've ever wanted to bring a subject closer, highlight a detail, or simply make an image feel more dynamic without adding extra effects, this quick method is all you need. We'll keep it simple, clear, and fast, so you can use it right away in your own designs. Start by opening your project in Canva. Give your design a moment to load, so everything looks crisp on the canvas. Once you can see your layout, locate the photo you want to zoom in on. This is the image you'll be adjusting, and the change will only affect that one image, not your entire design. Now, double-click the image. This takes you straight into the cropping tool. You'll notice a bounding box appear around the picture, which lets you adjust how much of the image is visible inside its frame. Think of this as a focused editing area that helps you control the framing without permanently changing the original photo. From here, click one of the corners of the image and drag it outward. Dragging the corners outward expands the image beyond its current frame, which effectively zooms it in within your design. Use a smooth, steady motion so you can watch the composition change in real time. Corner handles keep the proportions consistent, so your photo won't stretch or squash as you enlarge it. As you pull the corner outward, you'll see less of the outer edges and more of the area you want to emphasize, creating that clean, zoomed-in look. Pay attention to the edges of the frame as you drag. If you go too far, you might crop out important parts unintentionally. Also, if the original photo is very small, extreme zooming can make it look soft or pixelated, so aim for a balance that keeps the image sharp while bringing your subject closer. If you make a move you don't love, don't worry. You can always undo or simply double-click again later to fine-tune the crop the same way. When the image fills the frame the way you like and your subject looks closer and clearer, you're finished. That quick corner drag inside the crop tool is all it takes to zoom a picture in Canva. It's fast, non-destructive, and easy to adjust anytime. And that's it. You've just learned how to zoom in on a picture in Canva using the crop tool and corner drag. Try it on a few images to get a feel for how much zoom looks best in your designs, and enjoy the extra focus it brings to your work.